practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
And make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding. Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
And consider this dismaying observation.
This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge. To find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, allow, and we'll continue. That's all.
Hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills.
Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies and crawlies, toads in a pond. there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rat quality, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wave, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Restless bones etherealized.
Priceless books of every size.
When the river doors creak and the tombstones quake, sneakers come out from the swinging wake, happy thoughts
There's a military document. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our home, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by stepping away.
Make final arrangements now. We will dine to